let's try an example project where we're going to just exercise the buttons, switches, and LEDs of the Xibo. Create a project. Next, project name. We're going to do these using concurrent signal assignment, so we'll just say concurrent. We're going to be doing an XOR, so concurrent XOR. Next, we're going to define the source at a later time. Next, we're going to add the constraints now. The constraints file you can find in the Xilinx website, or pointer to it. Next, boards, Xibo, and finish. You see the Vado came up. We're going to need to edit the Xibo master XDC file, the constraints file. Because we're going to be using the switches, LEDs, and buttons. We'll comment those back in. LEDs as well. Save. We also need to add the VHDL file, so we'll right click on Design Sources, Add Sources. Next, and we'll create a file called top XOR VHDL file. Finish, and we've got some ports here defined. So the first one is BTN, as in button. It's an array, a bus that's 4 bits long, so 3 down to 0. Switch, which is SW. Also bus and LED. It's an output. I can find this output. The bus, 3 bits, 4 bits rather. This is the file it creates. And all we're going to do here is just put LED is assigned current statement, current signal assignment. SW XOR with button. Save. Over here, click generate stream. guess. This will take a minute or two to run. Meanwhile, I've connected the Xibo to the USB port via the cable, powered it on. It's running right bit stream, so it's almost done. Okay, the bit stream has been generated successfully. Open the hardware manager. Okay. Open target. Auto connect. Okay, and it's found the device. Click program. Program. Downloading the bitstream. And now throwing the switches and pushing the buttons controls the LEDs. And that's the end of the demonstration.